Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Our today's topic is that how your person is currently feeling about you and will they contact you and what will be their next move. So we have two options in front of us. Okay, option number one is this option, this couple, and the message is luck for you. So this is option number one, cute couple. I hope you can see. Okay, option number two is this kissing couple. Okay, option number two, kissing couple. Okay, so option number one, option number two. Let's see what are your person's current feelings, or what action will they take, or next move of theirs, or do they miss you or not, will they contact you or not. Whatever the energy I grab, I'll tell you. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, so now let's move the pile one, those who have chose this option. So okay, my god, lot of pentacles energy we are getting. The emperor. Okay, the emperor, 5 of wands, 6 of pentacles, 9 of pentacles, page of wands. Okay, let's see. So your person is first energy which I'm getting from this cat tarot is that your person is feeling lazy. First of all, lazy to contact you. Yeah, lazy to contact you. Also they are they are also confused whether to contact you or not. They are also lazy to contact you, but I'll tell you, they do miss you. Yes, they do miss you, and they are like confused whether to contact you or not, and they are upset as well. They miss you as well, and they are thinking about the past memories, thinking about the past your past meetings and all that stuff. They are they see you as like very much intuitive person, or good looking person, or charming personality, or you have good communication skills, you have everything. They see you as like you have everything. You are beautiful, charming, good looking, strong intuition, and they want to grab you, they want to be with you, they want to I would say they are also good looking people for some of you. I can sense that, but they see you as like they are starstruck when they see you. So they see you like as they as they see as they are seeing viewing any celebrity, because see this cat's eyes, you can see they want to catch you, they want to grab you, but also they will communicate to you. That is also I am feeling, and they are stalking you somewhere, or looking you, uh, watching you from somewhere, or stalking you from somewhere, whether social media or without social media. But definitely yes, but there are little bit of conflicts with this emperor energy. They are confused between their heart and mind, definitely, and they have little bit of ego also, and they are confused between their heart and mind, and a lot of messy thoughts are going on in their mind, in their life, like in a lot of messy things are also happening because they are confused personality. First, second is they are always what say battling with their mind versus heart. Third thing is sometimes they give priority to money, and sometimes they think of they are very much self-obsessed and selfish also somewhat. Fourth thing, there was no equal give and take. They are a bit lazy to give, they just want to receive it because they are lazy to give. That's why also, and that's why they are confused, and but they miss you, they do miss you. They are not getting your attention, and they feel like this they feel like very they feel like uh, something is lacking in their life, something is missing, they are not getting your attention also. I am seeing this. Your person may be Aries sign, or a business owner, or they can be entrepreneur, or doing something on their own, freelancer also they can be. Yeah, and also they see you very abundant lady, okay, and or successful, or you are successful with your money, your career situation. That is what also I am feeling. And for some of you, for little small percentage, I can feel that they have two choices, whether to choose you or whether to choose their career, whether to choose you or whether to choose another lady. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. So they are confused in that scenario, okay, with this two of swords, okay. And also they are like, when they watch you, they watch your pictures, or they look, watch you somewhere, then they are like this. If you can see this cat, they just want to catch you, grab you, talk to you, but they don't do it. They are hiding this fact because of the emperor energy, because of the ego energy, and because of the, I would say, something is disturbing in their life. Something disturbing is going on in their life. Also maybe their throat chakra can be blocked, because while I am also speaking, talking, but I am not able to talk. So maybe their throat chakra is also blocked for some of you, because they don't express their feelings, and first reason is that they are not able to express, and second, they don't like to express because they have ego, because of this emperor energy. That is why they are conflicts are going on between their heart and head. And also in their life, I feel like conflicts are going on. Some sort of disturbance is there definitely in their life, or somebody has disturbed your relationship. I can sense that also. But when they look at your pictures, or whenever they look at you, or they see you like this, they just want to catch you, but they can't, something like that, or they feel starstruck, they feel like they are looking at celebrities, something like that, So maybe you are posting a lot of pictures or videos, I don't know, on social media, or if you are not on social media, maybe they are watching you from somewhere else, from far away. Not in a negative sense, but in a positive sense. They just want to know what is going on in your life, but they don't want to take action with this emperor energy. They are egoistic. They are hiding the fact that they have feelings for you, they miss you, and they are confused also. And they were confused in past, but now they are like, feeling very much in this energy, missing you, thinking about you, feeling like something is missing, feeling of lack. See, okay. For some of you, you are a single mother or a single father, take according to your gender, or your person is single mother or father. So that can be the reason, child can be the reason they are not contacting you. But I am telling you, with this page of wands, they want to contact you, they want to rush towards you, they are looking at your pictures, or looking for you in somewhere, and they will contact you. They will definitely contact you. So for some of you, they are definitely disturbed, or something is disturbing going on in their life, but no matter what, they will contact you. And I can see also they are busy with their money and career situation. And you also, I feel like busy with career, money, or focusing on yourself. You might have a new pet recently, you have got a new pet or something like that. If not, then your person might have a new pet recently. So something is getting their attention, whether money, career, or whether their mind, or whether it is like their pet, or something disturbing is going on in another area of their life. And I can see a pet also. For some of you, I can see a pet, whether you also have pet or they also have pet, cat, dog, whatever, or a bird. But I can see a pet they recently have got, or you recently have got a pet. So yeah, this is what I feel. Pile 1. So what will be their next action? They will definitely contact you. It will be a very sudden, very sudden. You were might not be expecting it, so it will be very sudden. Yes. Okay. And they might tell you something, because for some of you, they hide their feelings, they hide a lot of secrets. They don't tell you everything, so they might tell you something regarding their life, or what is going on in their life, or where were they this much time, or they have feelings for you. Those sort of things they will reveal. That is what I'm feeling. So that is what their next action, next move. They do miss you, they will contact you, and they are going to say some things which is very important in their life, or something which is very disturbing is going on in their life. So they'll tell you, and they have feelings for you, they will also tell you. And I guess I can feel like, they see you like this, you are like this couple. Okay, so yeah, they see you as like you are their lucky charm, or you are very lucky for them. So this is what I feel. Pile 1. Let's move to the pile 2 now. And please remember, this was a general reading, and you can watch pile 2 also if you were attracted to. Okay, so this is what I feel for you guys. Pile 1, those who have chose this option. Now let's see the kissing couple. Love. The kissing couple. Love. Let's see. Okay, I have kept over here because it was not properly standing, like on adjusting. So that is, let's see those who have choose this couple, kissing couple, pile 2. Oh, Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the World. Oh my God. Temperance, the Hangman. Oh. Temperance twice we have received. Oh my God. The High Priestess, the Sun. Wow. Oh wow. Can you look at the guys? Ace of Cups twice we have received. Ace of Cups and Temperance twice we have received. The Sun. I'll keep it over here. Ace of Cups. Okay, and Temperance. I'll keep this over here. I hope you can see all the cards. Yeah. So guys, this is the person with whom you have ended a relationship, or they have ended a relationship. So I can see for some of you this is the breakup already happened, but I can see that was one cycle was completed. Now another cycle will start with this World card. There was a completion in your relationship of one karmic cycle. Now another karmic cycle will start with this Ace of Cups. Double confirmation with this Ace of Cups. Definitely they will offer you the cup of love. I can also see for some of you, new person also will come, and past person will also come. The person who for whom you are watching this reading, they will also contact you. New cycle will start. And most of you will accept that person back, and 80 to 90% you will be back with your past person, with your ex. And for some of you, I can see new person is coming, so you can choose new person. That's up to you. Yeah, celebration is coming. Special treats, special treats, special you are going to visit a lot many places. You are going to go on dates, and you'll meet, and you'll go for dinner. Again, depends where you live, but I can see some of you'll meet them and go to a new places like cafe, and I don't know, go for a dinner, and you'll enjoy, you'll celebrate. For some of you, if your birthday or their birthday is coming near, then you'll celebrate birthday together for some of you. So Queen of Pentacles, the World, Temperance. This relationship was ended. One cycle is ended. So I am saying that breakup has happened, but new cycle will start. So again, a relationship will start with the same person. But currently, everything you feel like it's stagnant. Like this Hangman, you feel like it's stagnant. But They are trying to think from your perspective. I can sense that, I can see that. They can be a Sagittarius. They are trying to think from your perspective. With this Temperance card, twice we have received Temperance card, so definitely they have healed this breakup. You also have healed this breakup or heartbreak, whatever happened. Something has happened in past. One cycle is completed with this World card. For some of you, this can be a long distance relationship, or was a long distance relationship. Then there are chances they'll come to meet you, they'll travel towards you. If not, then you can talk on video call or internet or something like that, through that. So yeah, they are thinking from your perspective. They are healing this relationship. Sorry, they want to heal this relationship. And if one of you were heartbroken, then you guys are healing yourself, you healing your heart. And they see you like this, the High Priestess. So you have got strong intuition, you are a good manifester, you are a good witch, you can be a tarot reader, psychic medium. So they know that you are a white witch, they know you are a good manifester, they know you are a tarot reader. If you are not, then they think you are very much strong with your intuition. Your intuition is very strong, you can get whatever you want in your life. So divine is with you. You do some candle rituals also. For some of you, if you are a tarot reader, psychic medium, you do some candle rituals. I can sense that you use fragrance also for some of you, or crystals, fragrance, crystal and candles. I can sense, I can see at the full moon and new moon, or on the full moon and new moon. Also they see you as like this star, you are their wish. And wish fulfillment, they see you like as their wish fulfillment. And you are very strong personality, you know how they feel, you know what to do next, you know what you want to do in next in your life. So will this person will take action? Definitely they will take action. I can feel that you have manifested this. Definitely, doesn't matter if you are a tarot reader or not, but you have manifested this reunion or union with your partner. And if not, then in past you have manifested this union or reunion, and they will come to you, and they want to come to you, of course. But I can feel this is all divine planning I am seeing over here. And first you have manifested first, then after that, you have been thinking about them, and they were also thinking about you. Now they want to come back, but they will come back on divine timing, because it's all about divine plan. I can see for some of you, you are on a higher level connection, spiritual connection. Definitely. Twin flame soulmate it can be. For some of you guys are twins, like this couple. If not, then this is definitely divinely guided connection, or higher level soulmate connection. Something regarding higher level spiritual soulmate divine connection I can sense. And divine's involvement is very much over here in this reading, in this pile. You people are my psychic medium tarot readers. Definitely, if you are not, then you should become a psychic medium, and you should do some work in this area, in this field. If not, then your intuition is very strong. Always listen to your intuition, okay? And for some of you, you are very much grounded. They see you like you are grounded, you are balanced, you are also mysterious person. For some of you, they think you are also somewhat mysterious, because you know how to do things, when to do things, those sort of vibe they get from you. And they know you have a cat, something like that. They know you have a cat, so it can be resonating for some of you only, okay, that you have a cat. They know you have a cat, okay. Temperance, okay. And the Sun card, guys, I have received. So do they think about you? Of course yes. Will they contact you? Of course yes. Will reconciliation happen? Of course yes. And reconciliation will be not only reconciliation, there are chances you will spend your life together. It will be a long-term relationship. You can get married, you can you can have child, something like that, you know. Definitely you are manifesting this relationship, and you, or if you have manifested this relationship, and you will get two choices: past person and new person. But most of you, 80 to 90%, you are going to go with your ex, with past person, and you have manifested this person and they are coming. Or some of you, I feel like you love nature, or you'll work something regarding in nature or environment, regarding you'll grow some trees, greenery, you'll spread awareness through internet all over the world, that to grow trees, you know, to protect environment, to protect mother earth, to protect nature, to protect water, animals. So those sort of vibe I'm getting. Big things you are going to do in the whole world. And you have how many major arcana you have? The sun, the world, temperance, high priestess, and hangman. 5 major arcana you have received, guys. And temperance we have received twice. Also, if this relationship is ended, or then I can see a new start is happening for you, and not in only love area, but I can see in lot many areas new starting will happen, whether it is about money area, career area. You guys are already an influencer, or you have some social media following or something like that. So you can be a tarot reader who has a YouTube channel, or you are thinking about going on YouTube, then this is the best time for you. So you guys are going to definitely, you know, enjoy your life with together, and you'll spread awareness about mother earth, nature, trees, animals, how to protect it, and how to grow trees, how to clean, how to protect, how to clean water, something like that, you know. River, how to clean water, river and beach, something like that. You are going to protect nature, basically environment. I can see a red color is very significant to you. So maybe this was a passionate connection in past, and in future it will be as well. Yeah. A lot of playful energy, playful vibe also I am getting from this pile, and serious energy also I am getting from this pile. So you know when to be playful and when to be serious. So definitely you are the high priestess. You can be a medium, any sort of a channel medium, or a psychic medium, or a tarot reader, or a spiritual person, definitely. And you know where to get serious, where to get funny, and where to have fun. And you know, you have 2-3 personalities, so your person also get confused sometimes. They see you as like this mysterious person. Their face become like this, you know, when they see you, like, you know, you can do multiple things at once. Or at different times you are different personalities. So yeah, so they also see you as a little bit chubby or cute, for some of you, okay, that you are very chubby and cute, you look good, whatever you wear it looks good on you. Sunflowers, so you might be a Leo, or you're dealing with a Leo. August month will be important. Sunflowers, Leo sign. Red color, passionate color. Mars energy also I am getting. So you are very passionate person, or you also I am seeing sunflowers, so you love flowers. Lot of energy I am getting over here of environment also. You love gardening, or you love to do planting, and something like that I am feeling. Yeah, lot of greenery. So you are I feel like you spend a lot of time in greenery. That is why your heart chakra is healing. Maybe you are spending time in garden, or you are going for a walk in a park, or you are spending a lot of time near a lot of trees or nature, in nature. So that is why your heart chakra is healing. You are healing. Your heart chakra is like, you know, properly activated, properly open for most of you, I can feel, if you are especially if you are a spiritual person. Yeah. Wow. I'm getting so good vibes from these guys. I'm smiling like anything. I don't know why I'm smiling. Suddenly, a smile came on my face, and wow, you are going to shine like a sun. Everything is going to be good for you, like a sunshine, and you'll be also wondering that wow. I mean, somehow, somewhere in your heart, in your soul, if you are a tarot reader, psychic medium, you know that something good is going to happen. If not, your intuition is somewhere. If you are not a tarot reader, spiritual person, then you're in your heart, your soul is saying that something is good is going to happen, but you don't have exact idea that you are going to do so much for so many people, and you are going to enjoy your life like anything. You are going to receive so many happiness in every field, in every area of your life, whether it is money, love, career, or to get name, fame, or to be a successful influencer, or help others, or heal others, or something like that. Doing something for world, you'll feel like at least my this birth is like is worthy, that I have did something for humanity, or I did something for Mother Earth, nature, for this world, for this earth, or I have did something for animals, for nature. So those sort of vibes I'm getting from you. Some of you or your person's favorite color might be pink or blue for some of you, okay, or red. Pink, blue, red, and small percentage of white color, okay. This can be your or your person's favorite color. Yellow also I am seeing, and black also color. So it can be your favorite color or your person's favorite colors, or something regarding this color, okay. Also chakra healing also I am seeing. If some of your chakras are not working, or not in alignment, or not in balance, then it is healing is going on with this Temperance card. So this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know, and also help others. So will they contact you? Definitely. You'll be getting married with this person. So this is what they feel. They miss you, definitely. They think you like an empress, and a high priestess, a queen, a stable person, a balanced person, an intelligent person, a mysterious person. They love you, they miss you, they will contact you. And the timing I'm not getting, but I can see for 1 or 2 months. Exact timing I'm not getting. Why? Because this is all about divine timing. But if I'll have to say, for some of you, roundabout time, I'll say 1 to 3 months. 1 month to 3 months, they might, or roundabout 1 to 3 months, or after roundabout 3 months, 3 days. Sorry, that's my cat. They will contact you, and yeah, definitely. You wanna see my cat, guys? Do you wanna see? That's my cat. So alright guys, bye bye guys, love you all. Please like, share, subscribe, and private reading, you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Bye bye guys.